The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE are premium Android tablets designed for productivity, entertainment, and creative work. Both feature a sleek aluminum frame and aluminum back, giving them a premium and durable build. They support Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, and optional 5G connectivity, along with S Pen support for drawing and note-taking. The Galaxy Tab S11 offers a more premium design with slimmer bezels and flagship-grade construction, while the Tab S10 FE provides a similar premium experience at a more affordable price. Both support the Samsung S Pen, offering low-latency writing, drawing, note-taking, and precise input. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 features an 11-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 2560x1600 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE comes with a 10.9-inch IPS LCD display, 2304x1440 resolution, and a 90 Hz refresh rate. The tablet S11 runs Android 15 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset with the Immortalis G925MC12 GPU. The tablet S10 FE runs Android 15 and features the Samsung Exynos 1580 chipset with the Sclips 540 GPU. The Galaxy Tab S11 offers up to 12 GB RAM and up to 2 TB of internal storage, while the S10 FE provides up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage. Both tablets support microSD card expansion. The S11 delivers significantly better performance for gaming, multitasking, and professional workloads thanks to its flagship chipset and larger storage options. The Samsung Tablet S11 and S10 FE both feature a 13MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera, delivering excellent photo quality and clear video calls. Both tablets are well suited for online meetings, document scanning, and everyday photography needs. The Samsung Galaxy Tablet S11 and S10 FE support Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 5G models, USB Type-C, stereo speakers, S Pen support, and optional 5G connectivity, providing fast and reliable wireless performance. The Samsung Galaxy Tablet S11 packs an 8400 mAh battery, while the S10 FE features an 8000 mAh battery. Both support 45-watt fast charging. Prices vary by region, configuration, and connectivity, Wi-Fi or 5G. The Samsung Galaxy Tablet S11 is the better overall choice for users who want premium performance and a more advanced experience, while the S10 FE is a better option for those looking for a more affordable tablet with reliable everyday features.